A very great afternoon to you guys, and this is your tourist guide Abdul Hashim here. Today I'm going to be covering all the street food here in Dharavi slum, and definitely if you want to taste the real food of India, then you should definitely come to Dharavi, because in Dharavi the people are living who are from different states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. So we have all the people here in Dharavi slum who are living it here, and obviously then we need a different taste, and personally I belong from South India. Like how much variety of the food that we are having here in Dharavi, and I'm going to show you one by one each street food, and I'll be going to covering all the street foods. So let's go for it guys. और भैया कैसे हो? और ये आपका चिकन कबाब. So guys, this is one of my favorite one. I don't remember like exactly how much I have had this. I think thousands and thousands of this I have had this, and it's really very cheap in price. So we'll see that to get a different taste, he's also adding some onions, and it's a very spicy chutney. It's like really very hot with the chilies one. And so भैया कैसा चल रहा है तुम्हारा काम? बढ़िया चल रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है काम करने में? मज़ा तो आएगा ना। चलो ठीक है यार, अल्लाह करे आपका धंधा बहुत अच्छे से ऐसे ही चलता रहे। और दिन में कितना तक का बन जाता है भाई, मतलब पैसा? पैसे का नहीं पूछूं, पैसे का नहीं पूछूं, मतलब इतना तो बन जाता है ना कि मतलब रोजी रोजगार चल जाती है। आप कहाँ से हो वैसे? गोंडा? अच्छा यूपी। अरे माशाल्लाह, यूपी से है आप? यूपी से। और भाई आप कैसे हो? खैरियत? कैसा? मेरा बहुत टेस्टी एकदम, मतलब मेरे बचपन से मैं खा रहा है इस चीज़ को। आप खाए हो कि नहीं कभी कबाब पाव? चिकन का बहुत टेस्टी रहता है ना। और ये कितने का मिलता है?
ये कितना 12 रुपए में देता है ना, जैसा कहे आदमी के कम रहे तो कम के हिसाब से दे देता है। 12 रुपए में तो 15 रुपए लेगा।
So guys, actually he is selling it for like 10 rupees. 10 rupees like next to nothing, and you get a bread, and on the bread he's adding around 3 pieces, and then it's like 10 rupees. It's like really very cheap, but I assure you guys that this is one of the very delicious product you can find in here in Dharavi. शर्मा क्यों रहे ये बताओ पहले? अब तुम्हारा धंधा एकदम जबरदस्त चलने लगेगा, सब आएंगे, मतलब फॉरेनर लोग वगैरह आएंगे यहाँ पर खाने के लिए. So guys, get what? And this is a very delicious one. Another again, it is an egg. We are adding some masalas and spices on the egg, and then we have a omelette one. Okay, and the second one is the egg one. We are giving a roll here, and it's we call it egg roll. Okay, and by adding some chilies onto it, and that's how it looks like. और भाई कैसा चल रहा है यार? तुम तो बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहे हो माशाल्लाह। काम कैसे चल रहा है बाबा? इधर देखो तो सही, स्क्रीन पे सब सही चल रहा है? Actually he is having a bit good time with chewing some betel nuts, so he'd be not able to speak with us, but he is doing a great job and filling the stomach of the poor people here in Dharavi slum, so they are enjoying their wonderful time here by having it all the delicious street food. It's obviously a mouth-watering product, and as I can see that few people who are working, who don't have enough time to go on the restaurant and have a food, they just can come here, and in within 5 minutes the hot and delicious egg curry is ready for you guys. And this all is a chicken item here. You can have a look. We call it chicken stick, and this is the chicken, all the different kinds of chicken stuff, and it's a samosa, chicken samosa, and this is a chicken one, and with the pav we give it, and we are having one vessel here, utensils, which is how to fry it. और भाई कैसे हो? कैसा चल रहा है काम वगैरह? चलो माशाल्लाह, अल्लाह आपको तरक्की देवे। बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो भाई आप, एकदम टेस्टी और टेस्टी चीज़ें खिला रहे हो लोगों को कम टाइम में और कम पैसे में। भाई चिकन स्टिक का पाव के साथ में कितने का मिलता है? 12 रुपया. So it's like the same price everywhere. I can notice that it's 10 rupees, which is like next to nothing, and you get one bread and with some chicken into it. And भाई आपका ये कितने का रोल? 20 rupees. So it's a roll. It's a bit special dish, so it costs a bit more, 20 rupees. And you can fill your stomach by having one or two at least. If you're like very hungry, then you should go for the two ones. So guys, I'll take you to a few different street food here. Stay tuned with me guys, it's going to be very interesting and a very tasty journey. I'm 100% sure about it. Guys, so obviously in the evening time it is going to be like really very rushed one, and this guy is enjoying his wonderful time here by making some good money and feeding all the Dharavi people. And you can have a look, like it's 15 rupees. We call it boti. Boti means pieces and kaleji means a liver. So he's selling a liver as well, and you can have a look like how delicious they are looking it. Wow. Guys, I can't, you can never imagine like how it smells like. And on the hot oven he's grilling it. And और भाई कैसा चल रहा है? सब एकदम बढ़िया ना यार? बहुत तुम अच्छा काम कर रहे हो यार, लोगों को खिला रहे हो. ये कितने रुपए का एक है? This is just 20 rupees guy. Just one bread, and in one bread he will add like around 3 to 4 pieces, and it's 20 rupees. And if I buy like this stuff in any other part of the Mumbai, then it's like around 70 to 80 rupees. So he's selling like around next to nothing, and actually his main intention is not just to earn the money, but to feed all the people in Dharavi. That's how it works in Dharavi, because the people can't afford to pay you lots of money, so he's making a very less margin. And he's doing a great job guys. Doing a great job, and I'm enjoying my time here guys. Wow, that's something very interesting one, and I think it's a water buffalo, not the chicken one I guess. ये कितने का मिलता है भाई? 25. It's a bit expensive. It's like 25 rupees. You need to pay to enjoy this delicious one. Wow, guys. I just love this vibe guys. I'm really lucky that I'm in Dharavi to enjoy all this delicious food and a very less price. And to be honest with you guys, they're providing some best taste compared to the people those selling in another part of the Mumbai. Guys, this is a stuff here. Wow, it's look awesome. Oh, you guys are chilling out. Great, great, great. That's great guys. Come on, keep it up. Assalamu alaikum chacha, कैसे हो? मैं तो आपका पड़ोसी हूँ. I'm his neighbor guys, and he's staying just next to me, and he's selling a very delicious one. And actually all the lentils he's adding some lemon into it, and a bit onion and tomato, and then he's mixing it up, and then after mixing it up, that is how it looks like. He's mixing in this one, and this is some spicy chutney, which is very spicy and delicious one. So he's working for 6 hours, and he's making enough money to carry on his livelihood for his family. Guys, this peanuts, on this peanut he's adding some salt into it, and sea mud, and he's then cooking it like for a few hours, and then delicious peanuts are ready for you to have it. और भाई 6 घंटा काम करते हो, कैसा चल रहा है धंधा? Oh, so he's really very happy whatever the money he's getting, and he's supporting his family, and he's also supporting his brothers and sisters for the education by selling this peanuts guys. Guys, refreshment is something very important here in Dharavi. So he's selling all the different kind of juices here. It's we call it this apple juice, and it's like very good for health obviously. And this is a watermelon juice, and this is a mango juice, and he's also selling some dates and adding some fruits onto the juices. And और कैसा चल रहा है भाई? तुम बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहे हो यार. काश मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ स्मार्ट होता भाई यार. I'm telling him that you're looking very handsome, and I wish I could be the handsome as he's looking now. It's fine, you know, I'm doing something good for my community by addressing them and motivating them that they are doing some great jobs here. Wow. So in Dhabi it's like it's really very hot, so you need all the time the refreshment. So but I'll recommend you guys to hire a guide, because obviously the foods are like not that bad. It's safe for the health. But if you hire a guide, then he'll be taking you to all to the places where you get safe quality of a food. And we have all the different qualities of a food here in Dhabi. So you make sure that you're going to have a nice one. और भाई चलूँ फिर YouTube channel दूँ मैं तुमको अपना. I'll give him my YouTube channel so he can watch it later, and he can transfer this video to his friends and family so that they can feel proud of him that he is doing something great in Dhabi. I'm really sorry that I forget that the name of the juice is Mohabbat-e-Sharbat, means it's a love juice. So whenever you drink this juice, then you fall in love. क्या बोलते भाई? So this all are the bananas. Fruits is like really very important thing, guys. So this is some chicken stuff, guys. Lots of chickens here. So guys, here we are making some Arabian dish here. Obviously the people want to have some Arabian delicious dish, especially all on the Saudi countries. We are making this stuff here. Okay, and you can see it's a grilled one. Means a water buffalo. This guy is working really very hard to feed some fresh fruits to the people, and you would never believe that how for less price he's serving all this delicious food. And he's going to the Washi market, the main market of Mumbai, and he's bringing all the fruits. He's waking up on the morning time, which is like 4 a.m. and once he wake up, and then all the fruits are ready for you here in Dhabi. You can enjoy them. भाई ये कितना पीस है एक? So this is just, guys, 10 rupees for just one watermelon piece. And the fruit place is also कितना है fruit place? The 20 rupees is the fruit place is, guys. So everybody can come here. Anybody can enjoy the delicious fresh fruit. So we ensure the quality of the fruits and food that we are serving here in Dhabi, because that is something really very important for us, guys. And here you can have some look that we are I don't know exactly what we call in English. It's a kind of very South Indian delicious food, and some bread here, and some basin salt, and this is something very delicious one who is cooking on the fry pan. Alright, कैसे हो? सब बढ़िया चल रहा है? Everybody is like really very happy, guys, and they are busy on their business, and they are doing something great here for Dhabi community. And I wish, once the Dhabi redevelopment plan will come into the place, and these people all should be having a place where they can serve some delicious things to the people in future. Here you can have a look. We are having all the delicious dates here. Okay. So guys, the restaurant name is Delhi Muradabadi, and the workers can come here anytime and can enjoy the delicious meal. So guys, if you're traveling to Dhabi, then please don't forget to have a food here. Muradabad is a place in India, so he's making some Muradabadi biryani. I'll just show you one look. See how delicious it looks like. It has all the stuffs and chickens and all things, guys. It's really very hot, guys. We ensure the quality and the taste really matter to us. Okay, and this is the another one. We called it korma. It's a spicy chicken one, and we have lots of other spices as well. One is a sweet one, which is made up of dates, and the second one is made up of coconut, and so we have two, and that's how it looks like. So you can just have a rest time here to enjoy the meal. So I've took my foreigners customer, British and Americans here few times to get and taste an idea about this food, and they have just given us lots of compliments, and they have told that you should bring your all the other customers over here on this place to enjoy the delicious meals.